Hi students, now I am going to teach exercise 2.6, 8th question. Raghu wished to buy a laptop. He can buy it by paying 40,000 cash or by giving in 10 installment as 4,800 in first month, 4,750 in second, 4,700 in third month and so on. If he pays the money in this fashion, find the total amount paid in 10 installment. How much extra amount that he has to pay in the cost. So we have two questions. First, total amount paid in 10 installment. So look, the 10 installment is given 4,800 in first month, 4,750 in second month and 4,700 in third month. So the common differences are minus 50, minus 50 and minus 50. So common differences are same. So given that every month installment in first, second and third, we form a arithmetic progression. So 4,800 first month installment, 4,750, 4,700 etc. up to 10 terms, that is 10 installment. Forms an arithmetic progression. Because common differences are same. So here we want to find the total amount paid in 10 installment. So total amount means what? Sum the series 4,800 plus 4,750 up to 10 month amount, right? So we need first term. So here A is 4,800, D is equal to minus 50 because 4,750 minus 4,800 is minus 50 and number of terms is 10. So we know first term, common difference and number of terms. We use this form Sn is equal to, we can use n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2 of 2 into 4,800 plus 9 into minus 50. Because 10 minus 1 is 9, common difference is minus 50. So one time this is 5. So 5 of 9,600 minus 450, right? 2 times 4,800 is 9,600, 9 into 50 is minus 450. So 5 into 9,600 less 450, 0 minus 0 is 0. So bar means we get 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1. Sorry, 9150. So 9150. So 5 times 9150 we get final result. That is S10 is equal to 5 into 0 is 0. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 5 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 9s are 45. So 45,750. 45,750. So our first question answer, the total amount paid in 10 installment is 45,750. So total amount paid, therefore total amount paid is 45,750 rupees. So our second question is what? How much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost? What is the cost of laptop? So laptop cost is given 40,000. But in 10 installment, he has to pay 45,750. So what is the extra amount? 5,750. Therefore, so extra amount equal to 5,750. So this is our second question answer. Exercise 2.6, 9th sum. A man repays a loan of 65,000 by paying 400 in first month and then increasing the payment by 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? So total loan amount is 65,000. He has to pay 4,000 in first month, thereafter increasing the payment by 300 every month. So the payment in every month, we have a sequence. So first month, first installment is 400, in second month 700, because our condition is given first month 400 and then increasing the payment by 300 every month. So 400 plus 300 is 700, next 1000, etc. up to n month, etc. up to n months. You want to find n number of months. So here A equal to 400, common difference equal to 300, and Sn is equal to, let us take Sn is equal to 65,000, that is total loan amount. So Sn formula right here, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 65,000, right? So n by 2 of 2 into 400, because a value is 400, plus n minus 1 into 300 equal to 65,000. So 2 into 400, 800. So n by 2 of 800 plus 300 n minus 300 is equal to 65,000. So n by 2 of 800 minus 300 is 500. 500 plus 300 n is equal to 65,000. So multiple this n by 2 in 500 and 300 n. We get 250 n, because 1 2 is 2, 252s are 500, plus 150 n square equal to 6,000, 65,000, right? So collect in order, that is n square, n and constant. We get 150 n square plus 250 n minus 65,000 equal to 0. So divided by 50, we get 3n square plus 5n minus 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15, 1,300 equal to 0. So we want to factorize this. So multiple of 2 number and sum of 2 number. So multiple of 2 number right here, minus 3,900. 3 into 1,300 is 3,900. And sum of 2 number is plus 5. Right? So 60 and 65. So take 60 and 65. So this is plus, here a minus. Plus into minus is minus, 60, 65 is 3900. The difference is 5. Divided by 3, divided by 3. One right? Divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. That is minus 20 plus 65 by 3. So our answer is n is equal to plus 20 and n is equal to minus 65 by 3. So n cannot be negative. So this is not possible. So n is equal to 20. Therefore, how long will it take for him to clear the loan? So he take 20 months to clear the loan. He will take to clear the loan. Next, exercise 2.6, 10th sum. A brick staircase has total of 30 steps. The bottom steps requires 100 bricks. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less than the previous step. First question, how many bricks are required for the topmost step? That means 30th step. Second question, how many bricks are required to build the staircase? So listen, a brick staircase has total of 30 steps. The bottom step requires 100 bricks. Suppose consider this is a bottom step. Bottom step requires 100 bricks. Next sentence, each successive step requires 2 bricks less than the previous step. So suppose this is first step and second step, third, and goes on. This is a 30th step, right? So first step requires 100 bricks, second step requires each successive requires 2 bricks less than the previous. So second step requires 98 and third is 96 and goes on. Right, this sequence form 100, 98, 96 form an AP. So number of steps in each row, number of step in each row, number of bricks in each step form an AP. So in first we have 100 bricks, in second step 98, third step 96, etc. up to 30 steps. Totally 30 steps are there. So our first question, how many bricks are required for topmost step, that is 30th step. So we want to find T30. Here we need to find T30. T30 means A plus 29D. You know A is first term. So first term is 100 and common difference is minus 2. So here A is equal to 100 and common difference is minus 2. So that is equal to 100 plus 29 of minus 2. 100 minus 9 2s are 18, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 58. So 100 minus 58 is 42, right? So T30 is equal to 42. So number of bricks in the last step, that is 30th step, is 42. Next, how many bricks are required to build the staircase? So this is our first question answer. So our first question answer is 42 bricks. 30th row contains 42 bricks. Right? Next, second question. So in second question, how many bricks are required to build the staircase? That means you want to add this series 100 plus 98 plus 96 etc. up to 42, because 30th step contains 42 bricks, right? So the series we get 100 plus 98 plus etc. up to 42, because 30th step contains 42 bricks, right? So here A is 100, D is minus 2 and L value is 42. L is 42, right? So Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus L, because in this series we have first and last term. So we use this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus L. S30 is equal to 30 by 2 of 100 plus 42. So 15 into 142. So 15 multiple 142. So 142 into 15. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 2. 5 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So 1 into 142 is 2, 4, 1. So 0, 3, 11, 1, 2, 1, 3, 0. So 2130 bricks. That is our second question. Next 2.6 exercise. 11th question. If S1, S2, S3 up to Sm are the sum of n terms of MABs whose first terms are 1, 2, 3 etc. up to M, and the common differences are 1, 3, 5, etc. up to 2m minus 1 respectively. Show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus etc. up to Sm equal to 1 by 2 Mn of Mn plus 1. So here we want to show S1 plus S2 plus etc. Sm is equal to 1 by 2 Mn of Mn plus 1, right? So S1, take S1, S1's first term is 1 and common difference is also 1, right? You know Sn formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we want to find S1. S1 means we need a and d, right? Here first term is 1 and common difference also 1, d value 1. But n is as it is because S1, S2, S3, etc. Sm are the sum of n terms, of MABs. N terms of MABs, right? So S1 is equal to n by 2 of 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. This is equal to n by 2 of 2 plus n minus 1 is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So n of n plus 1 by 2, this is S1. Right? Next, to find S, M. That means last term. This is a last series. So Sm is equal to here also. Number of term is n. So n by 2 of here a value and d value, right? First term is m and the common difference is 2m minus 1, right? So use this same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of a, one write m and d value 2m minus 1 here. So 2 into a value is m plus n minus 1 into 2m minus 1. So Sm is equal to n by 2 of 2m plus multiple this we get 2mn. 2 into n is 2mn minus 2m minus n plus 1. So this is equal to plus 2m minus 2m cancel. N by 2 of 2mn minus n plus 1. So this is Sm, that means last term. So our question is S1 plus S2 plus S3 etc. up to Sm is 1 by 2 Mn of Mn plus 1. So S1 plus S2 plus etc. up to Sm is equal to m by 2 of a plus n, because number of term is MABs, here totally MABs, so m by 2 of a plus l. Here a is S1 and Sm as l. So m by 2 of a value is S1, right? S1 plus Sm. S1 plus Sm. This is equal to m by 2 of S1 is n of n plus 1 by 2 plus n of 2mn minus n plus 1 by 2. So take m by 2 outside. Is equal to m by 2 and n by 2 is common, so take outside. This is mn by 4 of n plus 1 plus 2mn minus n plus 1. This is equal to mn by 4 of plus n minus n cancel. You get 2mn plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 and 2 are common, take outside. Mn by 4 into 2 of mn plus 1. So this is equal to 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 by 2 mn of mn plus 1. So this is our proof. Listen, S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus etc. plus Sm is equal to 1 by 2 Mn of Mn plus 1. Next, exercise 2.6, 12th question. Find the sum of a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b, 5a minus 3b by a plus b, etc. up to 12 terms. Right? So here, first term is a minus b by a plus b, and common difference is t2 minus t1. Common difference formula, t2 minus t1. 3a minus 2b by a plus b minus of a minus b by a plus b. So apply this minus, we get 3a minus 2b by a plus b minus a plus b whole divided by a plus b, because a plus b is common denominator, right ones. So 3a minus a is 2a minus b, minus 2b plus b is minus b by a plus b. So this is common difference. You want to add 12 terms, up to 12 terms. So take Sn formula, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 of 2 into a value, 2 into first term, a minus b by a plus b plus 11 into, because 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 into common difference. Common difference is 2a minus b by a plus b. 2a minus b by a plus b is common difference. So this is equal to 6 of, because 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. 2 into a, 2 into minus b. So 2a minus 2b by a plus b plus 11 into 2a, 11 into minus b. 22a minus 11b by a plus b. Here we have the denominators are same. So 6 of, or we take denominator outside, 6 by a plus b of 2a minus 2b plus 22a minus 11b. So this is equal to 6 by a plus b of, so here 2a and 22a are common like terms, so we get 24a, 2 plus 22 is 24a minus 13b, because 2 plus 11, minus 2 minus 11, we get minus 13b. So the sum of 2a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b up to 12 terms is 6 by a plus b of 24a minus 13b.